Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the free online certificate course from the ISRO website, guys. So it will be very much helpful to all of you candidates. I mean, to the candidates, whoever it is going to give the free online course. Okay. So you are going to get the certificate after successfully completion of this course also from the ISRO site, that is Government of India, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing and Indian Space Research Organization. So this certificate will be very much valuable, guys, and it will increase or else boost up your career also. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. After that, tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so all of you know that it is the official website of the Indian Space Research Organization and India Institute of Remote Sensing. So from this one you may check down here. So 6001th online certificate course on space technology and applications for school teachers, May 31st to June 4, 2021. So of course here they mentioned for the school teachers, but I don't have exact idea, but I think all of you may apply for this one. Okay, let us check the details regarding first of all this one with respect to the course brochure, guys. So here in this brochure they mentioned all the details very clearly, and we can check down here. So announcement brochure, online certificate course on space technology and applications. So registrations May 5th 2021 onwards. So target participants are the school teachers, and the course duration 31st May 2021 to June 4 2021. Okay, it is a course duration, guys. And here the contact number as well as email ID is also given here. So if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact or else you may put one email to the provided mail ID. And it is IIRS outreach program. Okay, so it is an innovative distance learning initiative for training the students and professionals from academic institutions and user departments in the field of geospatial technology and the Earth observation by utilizing the state-of-art information and communication technology. And coming to the space technology and its applications, so it is what exactly in this course you are going to get. The data and information generated using the space science and technologies are very important for socio-economic development of the society, and the utilization of space-based information services for better planning and the decision making in the areas of weather forecasting, telemedicine, positioning applications, environmental and climate studies, agriculture, food and water security, disaster management, etc. are very important. And coming to the objectives of the course, awareness and capacity building of school teachers on use of space technology and its applications. And the course fee is nil, guys. Okay, so it is a completely free online certificate course, and the limited number of seats are there. So admission on first come first serve basis. Okay, so please try to apply as early as possible. And here you may check down that online registrations last date is 25th May 2021 evening 6 o'clock. Okay, it is the last date. So the candidates who are interested in this one, please try to apply as early as possible, guys. And the course curriculum is given here. So during the course, the following topics will be covered. The first one is space technology and Indian space program, and the satellite communication and navigation technology and its applications, and the satellite meteorology and the weather applications, planetary science, astronomy and space science, and the satellite based earth observations and the remote sensing technologies and the remote sensing applications in the governance. And here experiments on reading satellite images for information extraction and the geodata access from online data repositories and problem solving using GIS also will be there. Who should attend? So school teachers teaching 9th to 12th standards of all boards, and the course will be very helpful for the teachers who are teaching the science, mathematics or the geography. So actually for filling up of the online application form, okay, I will show you the link. Okay, so in that one you can take the registration. So apart from the school teacher, if you are some student or else some professional in any one institute, I think you can apply this. Okay, there is no problem. But once check, okay, after starting the registration, okay, And here the live classes and the IARS e-class, okay, coordinator login and institute attendance is marked. Okay, coordinator will mark the attendance. So if the attendance is greater than 70%, I mean nowadays due to the COVID-19 they are making the online sessions there, that is e-classes. So if the attendance is greater than 70, then participants are eligible for the online examination. And if you got the score greater than 40, then you will get the certificate. Okay, so certificate generation and issuing the certificate. So here it is a link. Participant certificate will get, coordinator certificate, and the institute certificate. Okay, so all these things based upon your role, you will get whatever the certificate, okay, you belongs to. And the workflow of online course under IARS distance learning program, the course registration. So it is a link. All the IARS online courses are announced in this one, and the participants can directly register by this link. Okay, and yeah, so it is a link for the registration, guys. So you have to fill up your details, registration, okay, and then you will get the password with your email ID. So based upon that one, you may start filling up of all the remaining details. Okay, so apart from the what we call school teachers, even though if you belongs to any profession, then okay, try to fill up all these details. Okay, and the online classes will be conducted through the IARS e-class platform, guys. So it is a website. So please note down this website also. So from this one, you are going to get the what we call online courses, guys. So based upon your username or the email ID or else the password, okay, you can start. I mean, click on the login, and whenever the course starts, then you can go online or else the e-class. Program reception step 1, the participant will create account and the participant will fill up the online application and submit the proof of employment. Okay, and the application will be reviewed by IARS and eligible candidates will be approved. And on approval of the application, the participant will receive the admission email with login credentials of IARS and the e-class platform. The participant will join the daily class as per the published course schedule. The attendance of the participant will be automatically recorded by the system. The participant will submit the course feedback through a link available in the e-class platform. Okay. The technical requirement, device, desktop, computer, laptop, or within the mobile also you can check it out. And the operating system, Windows, Macintosh or Linux, Android or iOS. And the web browser is Google Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge or Safari. And the internet speed and URL course reception is given here. And coming to the award of certificate, the participants attaining 70% attendance will be awarded with course participation certificate from the IARS ISRO. That means there is no exam, guys, here. If you got the 70% attendance, then automatically you will get the certificate. The participant will receive the certificate to his or her email. Fine. So these are the complete details regarding this one, guys, and the contact details are also provided here. So IARS Distance Learning Center. Okay, email ID and a few different contact numbers are given, and Dr. Harish Chandra Karnataka, okay, the person is also given here. So if you are having any queries, that means other than the school teachers, if you are an academician or else if you are a student, then how to apply, any type of queries if you are having, then please contact the person here, okay, or else here the contact numbers are also provided. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.